smell it. Nah, that's not gonna. The Rock, I'm sorry. I had a moment. I apologize. I got excited. I'm using your tequila in a margarita today. That's what we're doing. It's Taco Tuesday. We're using Teramana tequila as our tequila for our Taco Tuesday madness that we do every single week. So you're at home, watching a little wrestling, you're watching Hobbs and Shaw, or whatever one of those awesome movies, and you're like, you know what? I want to use The Rock's tequila. Let me go get a bottle, but what do I pair it with? So you make one of these awesome margaritas. So that's what we're doing today. It's a passion fruit margarita. We're keeping it classy, we're keeping it simple, and we're keeping it fresh. Of course, we're using Teremana Reposado tequila. It's delicious. It's made in Mexico, small batches. They use the agaves. They roast them in a brick oven for 3 days to give it that oaky vanilla flavor that we love so much in this tequila. And then we're also going to be using lime juice, Twisted Alchemy, of course. And then we're going to be adding some citrus notes in here with orange bitters from Scrappy's Bitters. They have amazing bitters, a bunch of different flavors. We chose the orange just to kind of round it with some citrus. And then we're using fresh passion fruit. Now, passion fruit, it's sweet, it's sticky, it's sexy. Everybody likes a little passion in their life. We like ours in our margarita. And then I'm also gonna rim this with some smoked sea salt. The smokiness is gonna bring out the oakiness of the actual tequila itself. So let's get started. We're gonna add about a half of a passion fruit. You take your spoon, get right in there. If you like more passion fruit, just add a little bit more to it. I did half, you can do the whole thing. And then we're gonna put 2 ounces of our Teramana tequila. Beautiful. We're gonna do 1 ounce lime juice, ½ ounce of agave, and then a couple of dashes of this orange bitters. Boom. Right. Then we're gonna take our glass here. We're gonna go ahead and hit the side with a little lime juice, just so our smoked salt sticks. And then we're gonna go ahead and get a nice rim on there. Beautiful. And then this time we're gonna use a big old spear format cube this time. You can use whatever ice you have. I like spear format cubes. And we'll go ahead, give this a shake with a bartender smile. Pop that off. And then we're gonna double strain this into the glass. Why double strain, you ask? Because passion fruit has big seeds in it and you don't want to sip those into the straw when you're actually drinking the cocktail. Beautiful. Now, the only thing left to do to this cocktail, relax, unbutton your shirt 1 more button, let the taco meat out because it's Tuesday, take a sip, and remember, tip your bartenders.